Hello buddies, welcome back once again. Today I bring this amazing recipe for you guys, my marble sugar Danish cookies. Like if you are looking for any 3 ingredient recipe to wow your day, then you have to stick to this particular recipe because this is super amazing and it tastes so delicious. And not just that, it melts in your mouth, guys. With just 3 ingredients, you can get your customers or your family hooked with this recipe. So I would like you to relax and enjoy this video to the end. It's super easy to make. Let's do this. So first, you need to start by measuring out 70 grams of icing sugar and 100 grams of butter or margarine. Now you can use your electric mixer or you can use your hand whisk, just as you see in the video, and combine this, cream this together till it's light and creamy, just as you see in the video. Next, you will start adding in your flour. So for this recipe, you need 160 grams of all-purpose flour. You can also use cake flour. It will also serve very well. So once you start adding the flour, you will change from the hand whisk to a spatula. So you need your hand spatula to combine the flour with the buttercream. So once you are done combining the flour with the buttercream, you're going to have your mixture just as you see in the video. So this mixture should be able to wipe or clean the inside of your bowl without sticking to your hands, but will also be super soft. So at this point, this is what you have or what you will get. Then the next thing is to divide this dough into 2 parts. Okay, now to one part you're going to be adding some cocoa powder. You can use sweetened or unsweetened cocoa powder, whichever one you want, but for this recipe I used unsweetened cocoa powder. Okay, now you go ahead and start combining the dough with the cocoa powder, and please don't overwork the dough. Combine them till it forms a brown dough, cookie dough, just as you see. Now you're going to divide this dough, each of these cookie dough, into 5 equal parts or almost equal parts. So once you are done dividing this into 5 parts, now you're going to take one part and roll it out just as you see in the video. So once you take it, you roll it out on your work surface. You can just push it forward, back, till it turns or becomes long or forms a long rope, just as you see in the video. So once you are done rolling them out, you're going to place them just this way. Now you're going to gradually bring them together. So once they are combined this way, you're going to gradually roll it out. Okay, now once you have rolled it out to this extent, then you're going to use it to form an S shape. Okay, even if it's kind of breaking on at any point, don't bother, just make sure you bring it together. Just close it up and then keep on rolling it out. Okay, so once you are done rolling it out, then you're going to fold it again. Now if you have a refrigerator, after folding it and cutting it, you're going to roll it out, then put it in your fridge and let it stay in the refrigerator for an hour or less before you can use it. But if you don't have a refrigerator, just go ahead and cut it and bake. Yes, so once you are done, you're going to roll it out gradually, but don't roll it too flat, but just make it a little bit flat but not too flat. Okay, just as you see in the video. So once you've rolled it out, you're going to use your cookie cutter to cut out the dough. Okay, you can use any cookie cutter of your choice. Okay, but this is the one I used for the first one. Okay, then I transferred on my baking tray line with the baking paper. Then I sprinkled with sugar. Okay, sprinkled with sugar, granulated sugar, and then put that in the oven to bake. So while that was baking, I also divided the remaining dough again. Then I got my rose silicone mold. I then use this to press inside the rose silicone mold just to get that shape on the dough. Yes, so after pushing it inside the silicone mold, I then pushed it out and got that amazing rose shape, just as you see in the video. Then the last one, I had to just shape it just this way. After that, I had to use my cutter or my smoother to cut it. Okay, you can use knife as well to just slice it into a little bit tiny parts of, just as you see in the video. So I cut it just this way, and they have that amazing structure, amazing design on them. Yeah, so next I have to bake all this in my preheated oven. So I bake this in my preheated oven at 180 degrees C for 25 minutes. So after 25 minutes, I have to transfer on my cooling rack so that they can cool down completely, because once they are out of the oven, they are going to look a little bit soft, okay? But once they are completely cooled, guys, they are going to be crunchy. Yeah, as you can see, just look at that beautiful cookie, guys. So guys, you need to try this recipe, and when you do, please don't forget to let me know in the comment section how it turned out for you, because they turned out absolutely amazing and they taste so good. So see you guys on my next video, and till then, bye bye.